Our website VoteAid will aim at providing a database management and outreach solution for representing good candidature in elections with electoral role extending from localities to constituencies or that of organizations of matching scale. Our efforts will stay aligned with the interests of our users. We at VoteAid will enable our users with functionalities that will give them an edge over their competitors. As every user has a different methodology to tackle their situations in elections, following the same belief, we will provide custom features to every user as per their needs to form synergy between online and on-field work. Our primary features will include large database handling, outreach via SMSs, emails and voice SMSs, and utilities to decrease time to access relevant electoral information. Custom utilities combined with efficient database management promises to make a substantial contribution to the success of the campaign. We thus target both politicians as well as political parties by contacting them through phone calls and emails. Satisfied users will inform other members of their party, thereby expanding our domain. As the only resource required to provide this service is our website, the fixed costs involved are the servers and domain name. We aim to get revenues from politicians via subscription method. The SMSs and emails charges are fixed at a lower price than other service providers. We will be discussing our pricing model in detail in the later segment of this video. The reason why we have the scope of growth in India is that we are the first one to do so. Politicians have been hiring professionals to put their data in Excel for management of the voters in their area of election for past few years. We are just putting it online and making it more accessible so that it can be viewed from anywhere and anytime on their laptops, phones or any other internet-enabled device. Although such startups have been doing good in foreign countries where politicians are much more internet friendly, for example, GOT Voters Online and CompleteCampaigns.com in USA. Now coming to our product, the website is registered by the name www.voteaid.com. The homepage displays the latest political news as of now, and we plan to make it more interactive by adding features like polls, agenda, discussion forums as soon as we have sufficient number of users. Logging into the website gives you various options ranging from searching voters according to your criteria, inserting more voters to the list, expense management, viewing voter turnout, and SMS and email logs. Our first client, Mr. D.D. Parashar, has uploaded the list of about 5,000 voters, all from his constituency in Kurukshetra, Haryana. He has used the website extensively for 2 months before the Haryana state elections. To support our statements, we have extracted analytics regarding the traffic on our website. It was seen that from February to April, we had a lot of traffic. That credit goes to the central election scheduled on 15th of May 2014. Even from July to August, we had good amount of traffic due to the elections in the state of Haryana. To validate our idea at all levels, we conducted an online survey to see if people were actually interested in getting messages from politicians. It was observed that most people were comfortable with 1 to 2 messages per day, but not more than that. Now coming to our pricing model. It was difficult to decide a pricing model as we have got a confidentiality clause with our clients to not release the names. We can even opt for price discrimination. Price can be charged higher from that politician who is seen to use the website more frequently. But for the sake of having a professional pricing strategy, we have come up with the final pricing model, which is as follows. Initially, the politicians will be given free accounts for a month, and after that charged Rs 7,000 per month. For political parties, we have altogether a different scheme. They will be provided with 4 accounts for their political leaders at Rs 20,000 and charge Rs 4,000 for every additional user. In future, we are planning to get advertisements for the free users to generate revenue. We will also provide political parties with Twitter and Facebook feeds analytics as to show the state of candidature in a particular area. We aim to target elections at all levels including central, state and municipal elections. We have started contacting politicians for the upcoming state elections of Jammu and Kashmir and Jharkhand. Not only that, we will be targeting the next student council elections in BITS Pilani, Goa. We hope to be successful in carrying out elections in colleges as all students have cell phones and email IDs and thus information can be communicated more efficiently and effectively. Now, we would like to end this video with a testimonial of a current user. Thank you.
Sir, D.D. Parashar ji, how VoteAid is useful for your election campaign?
VoteAid is a good software, online software. We can add master data of our core team as well as voters. We can coordinate our team effectively through this software. We can send SMS and email ID, can feed it and can send an SMS in few seconds. We can control the population through message and emails within a little space of time. Our website voted is very beneficial and useful for any campaign.